Mitsubishi Electric's hot freezing mode has been designed with busy family kitchens in mind. It allows you to rapidly freeze freshly hot or warm cooked foods without the need to stay in the kitchen waiting for cooked foods to cool down. Your refrigerator's Versa drawer features hot freezing as a selectable mode. Simply place your foods into the Versa drawer and close. Activate the refrigerator's controls with one touch of the operation panel. From here, press Settings until you navigate to VR. Then use the Select button to navigate to Soft Freeze mode. In this instance, we're setting to Medium. Depending on the quantity of food you're putting into the drawer, you can choose between low, medium or high settings. Press the operation panel again and then the hot freeze mode. The letters above the icon will light up. Next, touch Yes and your hot freeze mode will be activated. This mode will automatically remain active for approximately 9 hours. Foods kept in the Versa drawer after this time will be soft frozen. You can then transfer items to the freezer after this time.